Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you in under 2 minutes how you can actually create a text that is filled with a gradient. So first of all, to do that, let's create a new text on our canvas here in Figma, and we could write something like Magier.com, so the name of our company, the name of our design as a service company. And then first of all, I'm changing the typography to black just to make the text a little bit thicker. And now we want to fill that with a gradient. And when I talk about fill, this is the first thing that you need to know. To actually change what your text looks like, you need to go to the fill tab here. And in the fill tab, you can change from this static color, this like bold black color, to a gradient. And the gradient here can either go from the left to the right. And let's imagine we want to change the color on the left here to red. We would just change it by just clicking on here and then switching to the red color. And if we want to change the color on the right, we could go to, let's say, green on this in this case. And now we would have a gradient. And now let's imagine we want to change this gradient a little bit because we want to have it from top to bottom. So we can just click on the dot here and then drag the gradient as we like. And obviously, depending on how far the dot is away from the text, we will only see green or we will see a lot of red. So in my case here, I think this is what I want it to look like. Yeah, and that's basically how you can create a text with a gradient in Figma. If you like the video, leave us a thumbs up and also follow the channel. And otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.